Today we're going to learn how to make a chin curtain. Let's get cracking. Good moto morning and happy Halloween. Welcome to Kraken's Garage. I'm your host Eric, and on today's episode we're going to teach you how to make a chin curtain for your helmet in case yours flew off and you lost it. Let's get cracking. You're going to need an old t-shirt, preferably one with some polyester in the fibers so it's kind of stretchy if that makes sense. You'll need a Sharpie or something to mark the cloth, a pair of scissors to cut it, and a butter knife or something dull to stuff it up underneath the lip of the helmet. Let's get cracking. Lay your shirt out flat so you have the waistline that has the finished seam. That's going to be the part that your chin rubs up against. And take your helmet and figure about how big of a chin curtain you want. In my case, I can only tuck it in right to about that point. And take your Sharpie and kind of draw a circle around it. Now we allowed an extra inch or so all the way around to allow for tucking it in, and let's just cut it out. Now you're going to lay it across your helmet, roughly in the position that it's going to go into, and take your butter knife or something dull and basically wedge it down in there. That's looking pretty good. So basically you have a homemade chin guard for your helmet, and it didn't cost you anything but an old t-shirt sitting in your closet. You can put some double-sided tape in there if you want to secure it a little better, and try to keep it taut so that it's spongy, so when you're taking your helmet off and on, it'll stretch and allow and not come loose during usage. I would also recommend using a black one. I just used a colored t-shirt because it wouldn't show so well on camera. But you get the general idea of how to make a chin guard on the cheap. Today's tech tip. So there's today's hack for the day. Just a quick video. I wanted to wish everybody a happy Halloween. With that, there's my ghost dog, appropriate this time of year. He's here to tell me to wrap this video up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more in the future, hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner. And remember, folks, go riding because it's good for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
And I'll get you and your little dog too, Kraken.